Hi everybody, how are you today? Hopefully you are in a great condition, so you are excited and energized to join this week's lesson. So, have you ever thought of making a sentence about condition or possible outcomes based on the conditions in English? In this week, we're going to learn about that, and it's called as conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a type of sentence that describes a situation and its possible outcome based on a condition. It usually has two parts. The first part is the condition or if clause. This part states the requirement or condition, typically starting with if. The second part is the result or the main clause. This part explains what will happen or could happen if the condition is met. So students, you need to remember that conditional sentences express cause-effect relationships, possibilities, hypotheses, and consequences. For example, in a sentence, if it rains, we'll cancel the picnic. Here we have the condition, which is if it rains. It uses if at the start of the sentence, and then the main clause, which is will cancel the picnic as a result of the condition. There are several types of conditionals in English that cover real, possible, and hypothetical scenarios, including zero, first, second, and third conditional, along with mixed conditional. In this week's lesson, we're going to talk about zero, first, second, third, and mixed conditionals. The first type of conditional sentence is zero conditional. This is to tell general truths or scientific facts. We use the zero conditional to talk about permanent truths such as scientific facts and general habits. The structure of zero conditional sentence is very simple. It starts with if plus present simple. It is for the 50% possibility and another present simple for 100% certainty. For example, in a sentence, if water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Here we have if plus present simple, water reaches 100 degrees Celsius to contain 50% possibility, and then followed by 100% certainty, it boils. The next type of conditional sentence is first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about a realistic situation in the present or future. The structure of the first conditional is first if plus present simple, followed by will plus verb, can plus verb, must plus verb, or imperative form. Similar to zero conditional sentence, the first clause consists of 50% possibility followed by 100% certainty as the main clause. For example, if the lecture runs late, I will reschedule my appointment. Here, we have if plus present simple as the first condition or the 50% possibility, followed by will plus base form, which is I will reschedule my appointment. Here, I will reschedule my appointment is the situation that will happen or certainly happen if the first condition is met. Alright students, this is the end of the introductions video about conditional sentence. Remember, we still have some other types of conditional sentence to be discussed in the class. First is about second conditional, hypothetical or unlikely situations in the present or future. We'll also talk about third conditional. This is hypothetical situations in the past that didn't happen. And finally, mixed conditionals. This is combining elements from different conditional types, often to discuss how past events affect present situations. We couldn't wait to see all of you in the class and have exciting discussions about conditional sentence. Obviously, we'll do some interesting games as well and also exercises. So, thank you so much for watching the video and please be prepared for the discussions about conditional sentence this week. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.